welcome to this brief overview of the DMAI Event Impact Calculator. This is Adam Sachs, President of Tourism Economics. The DMAI Event Impact Calculator is designed to provide a really important resource to DMOs to measure the impact of events. And that's a real need for the purposes of negotiating with meeting organizers on what the appropriate incentive for an event might be against its economic value. It's also critical in advocating for DMO funding. By answering the question, what is the DMO generating in room nights, business sales, employment, and taxes, the DMO is in a much stronger position to make the case for its ongoing funding. The calculator itself has a number of important features, including its flexibility. It works with varying levels of information. Each model is localized to a destination with city-specific impact models. The analysis is comprehensive, providing full impact analysis not only on spending, but also on jobs, taxes, and the return on investment of an event. The platform is also quickly becoming an industry standard, with more than 100 destinations now using the Event Impact Calculator. It's credible. The Event Impact Calculator is based on multiple event and participant surveys encompassing thousands of participants and hundreds of events, and CRM data covering tens of thousands of events. And also the tool is sustainable with annual updates to the underlying data and models. So let's take a quick tour of the platform. And we'll start with a new calculation. And here we'll run a generic test convention with Tourism Economics as the organizer. We can choose the city. Each city has access to its own unique model, but we'll choose a generic big city U.S. And the start date is September 23rd, and it runs through Thursday the 26th. Now we can choose with the core event impact calculator between business meeting, convention, or trade show. The sports module provides 5 additional event types. We'll call this a convention. And then we identify whether the meeting space is in a hotel or outside of the hotel, where the venue space would typically be more expensive. We select the number of overnight visitors, the number of day visitors, and the local share of those day visitors, as the model excludes the impact of local visitors. We then have the option of putting in a room block, and we'll put in an agreed room rate of $120 a night. So based on this, we can go ahead and save and calculate, generate the economic impact of this 5,000-person convention. The report provides details on the business sales generated by the event, how much of that is coming from attendees versus the organizer versus exhibitors, and in what industries that spending is taking place. We can also calculate the return on investment of this event. If we go to the input screen and look at the hosting costs, we can put an example that we are giving this event a $10,000 incentive. And based on that, we can save and calculate and look at what the return on investment is on that $10,000 investment. And on the second page of the report, we get significant detail on the taxes generated by the event, direct, indirect, induced, and total, by type of tax. Well, the ROI takes the local tax impacts and compares that to that incentive. So against that $10,000 incentive, that event generated $263,000 in local tax receipts, making it a clear winner in terms of return on investment. This report is then saved among all of your other event impact reports, and they can be aggregated or pulled together in a separate data set. The Event Impact Calculator is also has the ability to be linked to your CRM so that you can exchange information across the CRM and Event Impact Calculator platforms. Well, thanks for joining us for that brief overview. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at info@tourismeconomics.com or eventimpact@destinationmarketing.org. Thanks so much.